Hi, Draytus Auto here with another installation video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and watch until the end of the video. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like my video. This is what we do all the time. We do this type of installation, performance stuff, but just stay tuned to my channel and you'll see exactly what we're all about. Okay, so now it's a 2010 Ford Escape. The problem with this vehicle is that my neighbor was complaining, saying he's hearing a noise when he was driving. After we went for a couple of test drives, then we kind of noticed that the noise is coming from the front wheel bearing over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started for you. So this part one of my video is gonna be me removing this part, and then after, just stay tuned and you're gonna see what we're gonna be doing. First, I'm gonna start by compressing this caliper here a bit. Just a little bit so I can get it off. I don't have to go too crazy. Yeah, that should be good enough. Some movement, that's what you want. Okay, we'll go ahead and remove the axle. Now I'm just gonna pull everything apart and then I'm gonna start banging it out. Guns at 5. Go reverse. Okay, and you got to get a 32mm socket for this axle nut on this 2010 Ford Escape. Here we go. Like butter. One thing, get the axle nuts out. Now we're gonna move the brakes. So I'm removing the caliper. This bracket here, there's a bolt up top here. There's a one on the bottom. It's an 18mm. That's the top one removed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bottom one. Hold this so it doesn't fall off. And what you want to normally do with this thing here is you don't want to put too much weight on it. Normally you want to tie it up against here. But I think she'll be fine right there. Just watch it, make sure it doesn't dangle. Okay, and shouldn't have did that. It's okay though. There. I'll get my 18mm. Lock it on the bottom here. Just be careful, make sure this brake thing doesn't fall off and dangle. Top bolt. I'm gonna leave those bolts in for now until I take everything apart, then I'm gonna bang it out. Because once you remove these bolts here, this thing's gonna want to go like this on you. You're not ready for that to happen. Then we're gonna go down here. This bolt right here is a 15mm. On the other side, you got a 13. So my 13 is going to go on my wrench here. My extension. So you set that up. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the wheel a bit. It should be secure right now. I'm just gonna turn the wheel a bit so that I can straighten this up and get my tool behind here. Get on the backside nut. Let me see the camera. So you got your 15 mil right here, and your 13 millimeter bolt is right there on the bottom. Your pinch roll bolt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those. Okay, that's out. That would not go over here. That's loose. Okay, now we got to remove the tie rod end bolt right here. And that's also 18. The tie rod bolt right here. Right here, your tie rod bolt right here. That's a 15. Okay, and then now I'm going to start banging out the bolts. Starting with the bottom one. This bolt right here, this pinch roll bolt. I already went ahead and replaced this lower control already, so I know I don't have to do anything at the back there or anything. It just come out by just barely tapping it. Put the bolt in there. Okay. And then now we're going to remove the bottom bolt down. The bottom bolts. I should have really tied that up. But it's okay, we can work around it. Okay, when if you're having a little issue like that, it's okay to punch it down there. Then you also got to remove your ABS connectors. So let me start off by removing the 10 millimeter bolts. Right here, there's a 10 mil right here, bracket. Okay, remove that, sorry. Okay, my battery's a bit low on this one. It's okay. Make sure you put all your bolts in a safe place. Don't lose them. I got a magnet tray behind me that I'm putting all my bolts in. Okay. Sorry, I can't see. This one up here on the chassis of the car is an 8mm. Okay, so both of these are removed, and then you got a next a rubber grout right here. Get your flathead screwdriver, go on the bottom, pop it out like so, and I'm going to show you underneath the hood. You have to go on the other way. Can you come around to the side, please? Your connector is going to be right here. You're going to see the hole right here. You just peel this rubber boot back, you unplug it, push your sensor through. That's for your ABS connector. Okay, come over here, please. And then you're gonna have a little connector in here. Just gonna use a little flathead screwdriver and pop it open. Get the connector come out of there. Pull your ABS sensor through. Just get it out of the way. Okay. Just leave the sensor hanging a bit over here, as long as you don't get it, doesn't get broken. Okay, and then now we're almost there. Then I'm gonna come over here. Then I gotta separate the tie rod end. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my tool here. It's a socket. It's a big socket. There's a socket inside there? No. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and place my ball joint separate inside of here. It's a little tight, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of help. My hammer here. Oh. This is why you want to tie the brake line up. You don't want that to happen to you. Okay, so that's in there. Get it ready by hand. Oh, oops. Sorry, I have it upside down. Sorry. This piece right here needs to hit against the bottom here. Okay, seems like I need to adjust for a big one. So where does it go? Tap my hammer. Okay, forget about this. Okay, so if that doesn't work, you want to go ahead and tap here with the hammer, and this should pop up. There you go. You see that fly up? It's a few taps with the hammer. It's out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and remove this bolt up here. Top her out. Give me a minute here. Let me see if I can find something about that big caliper. Okay, I found my extension cord. This will work. Just gonna tie the spring up here. Should have did this, but kind of slipped my mind, but it's okay. That's what you want right there.